Twisha's family was looking forward to second postmortem because they were not satisfied with the results that have come from the first report, and that is why they were demanding this. And after the first plea was rejected, dismissed by the lower court, now the appeal at the High Court has successfully fulfilled their wishes, and now the second PM will take place, for which the team of doctors is directed to travel from Delhi AIMS to Bhopal to do the second post-mortem. And it is also important that the temperature was being discussed where the body preservation needs is minus 80 degrees, but because Bhopal AIMS does not have that minimum temperature here, it was very difficult to preserve Twisha's remains, and that is why they had to speed up the process, and which is why the proceedings could take place in time. And now this is a major relief that is coming for Twisha's family, because they were very hopeful that the second PM may reveal something that they were hoping for. They still are believing that it is not a case of murder, it is not a case of suicide, it is a case of murder. And Twisha was a very confident woman. She was never a person who would kill herself, and that is what the family believed since day one.